So we have to integrate sine power 6x plus cos power 6x upon sine square cos square. So look at this situation. In this situation, numerator is having greater power than the denominator. So what you should do? Just go with simplification first. Okay. So you know that, can I write this thing as sine square cube plus cos square cube upon sine square cos square dx. Okay. Now you can apply a cube plus b cube formula. So it is a plus b into a square plus b square minus ab. Correct? Sine square cos square dx. Now you know that sine square plus cos square is 1. So this component will become 1. And next part, now you can distribute this denominator to every element. Okay, so it is sine power 4 by sine square cos square. So that thing will become 10 square x. Next, uh, cos power 4 by sine power 2 cos power 2. So it will become cot power 2x minus 1 dx. You know that we haven't studied differentiation of tan square x. So what we'll do? We will apply some different manipulation. Like, do you remember that we have sec square x minus tan square x equals 1. So we will use the value of tan square x as sec square x minus 1, and we know integration of sec square x as tan x. Similarly, we will apply cot square x formula. So it is cosec square x minus cot square x equals to 1. So cot square x will become cosec square x minus 1, and then we have one more minus 1. Now what is the integration of sec square x is 10x. Now integration of cosec square x is cot x. You know that the answer starts with the letter C, so we will have minus. Now minus 1 minus 1 minus 1 minus 3. So minus 3 integration is minus 3x plus c, which is an integrating constant. Therefore, the integration of the given function is this. I hope the idea is clear and you guys can handle similar situations.